Hey Gab, so we've been seeing a lot of stuff about HIV, coronavirus, HIV, and then COVID-19. So there's this idea floating out there that COVID-19 is somehow engineered out of HIV virus, that, oh, it's grand conspiracy and somebody engineered it, US engineered it, China engineered it, someone engineered it. And I'm a skeptic. So what I did was I just Googled it and looked up some of the research that was done, and why would there even be a possible link between these two things. So I thought I'd just show you what I found and let me know what you think. Okay, why are these two seemingly obviously different viruses in the same sentence? That really brings me to one particular study, HIV protease inhibitors, which was found to inhibit SARS associated coronavirus. So basically, what this drug is, it's a protease inhibitor. And protease inhibitor, what it basically does is it doesn't allow for the virus to replicate. So in HIV, one of the staples of the virus is the uncontrolled replication, and that's true from all viruses. All viruses will replicate. So what this drug does is that it actually just brings down the replication rate. So it makes it very hard for the virus to replicate. And in fact, if we look on the screen right now, there's a figure, and on the left-hand side, you see this is just normal cells. So what scientists do is they take these cells and they have them just multiply in a dish, just like an actual petri dish, just a dish, a plastic dish. And then they can infect these cells with the virus. So in this case, they infected it with SARS. And what they found was that when you actually put this drug, nalfenavir, again, however you say that, into that dish, you no longer get the virus replication. Again, this is a dish. This is not people. This isn't a dish. So, but from this, they had some evidence that, hey, maybe this drug does work. Maybe this drug does work as well against a coronavirus, which SARS is a coronavirus. Maybe it works as well in SARS as it does in HIV patients. So then from there, you take a leap, right? You go, well, if we saw that it had some effect in reducing viral loads in SARS is a coronavirus, COVID-19 is a coronavirus, why don't we just go for it and try to see if it actually helps coronavirus? So now just a bunch of drugs, a bunch of retrovirals are being fast-tracked to clinical trials. So they're just, this is very common. A lot of drugs get repurposed, So now there's all these drugs. All these HIV drugs are being fast-tracked and going through clinical trials to see if they're actually effective. And some of these studies are actually starting to get published now. And what they found is that at least in one of these trials, that was a mixture of two drugs, lopinavir and ritonavir, again, butchering names here, they actually found no effect. So it turns out that some of these drugs, at least, have been seen to have no effect on mortality rates of people with COVID-19. And that's really it. So really, the link between HIV and COVID-19 is about the drugs that are used to treat them. But it does mean we still got no treatment. So social isolation it is. I'll see you next time, Gabe. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment down below with your opinion.